द लिव्हिंग वर्ल्ड अडॅप्टेशन्स अँड क्लासिफिकेशन्स. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या पाठावर आधारित पार्ट 1 मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये अडॅप्टेशन म्हणजे काय याविषयी आपण शिकलो आहोत. नाऊ वी विल लर्न अबाउट अडॅप्टेशन्स इन प्लांट्स अँड ॲनिमल्स. Adaptation in plants. Adaptation in aquatic plants. Aquatic plants means water plants, that is Jal Vanaspati. Observe the given plants. They are firmly rooted in soil and submerged stems. Stems and petals are soft, flexible. Aquatic plants' leaves and flowers of aquatic plants are float on water. Examples of that aquatic plants: lotus. Adaptations in desert plants. Which is the plant seen in the picture? These plants are leafless or leaves like small needles. Some leaves seem to be modified into thorns for conserving water. Very little water is lost by evaporation. Adaptation in plants of snowy regions. See the picture of plants. Conifers like deodar and pine. Trees are conical in shape with sloping branches. Due to heavy snowfall and extreme cold weather, such adaptations are seen. Conical shape prevents the accumulation of snow on the tree. Thick bark helps the tree to withstand the cold. Okay? Adaptations in plants of forest regions. A diverse variety of plants, trees, shrubs, and herbs are seen in the forest. All the plants compete among themselves for sunlight. Trees grow tall to capture sunlight, and climbers and ferns grow with the support of trees. Okay? Adaptations in grassland plants. See the picture. Bushes and grasses of diverse types are seen in the grasslands. Soil erosion is prevented by fibrous roots of grasses. Very tall grasses are seen in the equatorial region, and very short grasses grow in cold region. Now we will learn adaptations in animals. First, adaptation in aquatic animal. पाण्यातील प्राणी. पाण्यातील प्राण्यांचं adaptations. These animals show modified structure of body. Tapering spindle-shaped body with scales and fins for swimming. Respiration by gills. Look at the pictures of aquatic animals and write the names of their animals. Second is adaptations in amphibians. Frog is an amphibian. It inhabits both land and water. Name the other animals of in the pictures chart. Adaptations in forest and grassland animals. Look at the pictures. Name these animals and write the answer of given question. Question is, what is the difference between carnivorous animals and herbivorous animals? Now, adaptations in desert animals. Observe the animal and tell the name of these animals. What are the characteristics of camel? Long legs with flat and cushioned soles, fold of skin over the nostrils, long and thick eyelashes, thick skin to conserve water in the body. Due to all of such adaptations, camel becomes most suitable to walk in the desert. Thus, it is used as a means of transport. Therefore, it is called sheep of the desert. Okay. Now, adaptations in animals of snowy region. बर्फाळ प्रदेशातील प्राण्यांचं अडॅप्टेशन्स कसं असतं? दे आर लॉंग थिक हेअर ऑन द स्किन, व्हाईट और सिल्वर बॉडी कलर, that is yak, polar bear, white fox, silver fox, mountain goat, snow leopard. Observe the animal chart in these regions. Adaptations in aerial animals. First, adaptation in birds. Spindle shaped body of birds that minimize the resistance of air while flying. Feathers covering the body. Forelegs modified into wings. Now, adaptations in insects. Insects are light-weighted and tapering body, 2 pairs of wings for flight, and 6 stick-like walking legs. Adaptations in reptiles. Snake creep with the help of scales on their skin. Some reptiles use their muscles for creeping, that is house lizard, garden lizard, crocodile. Body color shows camouflage to hide with the surroundings. Observe the reptiles carefully and read their adaptations and write names of it in your notebook. Write the questions that given in homeworks and solve it in your notebook. Okay, thank you.